Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it's really been a long time that I have not uploaded any video. It's been 15 days, I know, but yeah, I was busy somewhere because I have multiple exams now, so that is why I was busy. So today I am here for telling some like post exam reactions or experience what I felt that day after giving the exam. It was a normal exam. I scored very well, but the recent feeling when when you leave the exam hall, that feeling, the recent feeling, like you have dropped the, there were two questions which I was in dilemma that like I was choosing option A and D. Okay, there were four options and I chose option A and D. So I was 80% sure for A and 20% sure for B. But what I did, because of the hesitation, because of the nervousness, I didn't choose anyone. And the 80% one, option A, was right. When I came back, I checked that. So that's some some experience like that, when we feel, okay, god, we did bad. Okay, so this shouldn't be done. But what happened, like, that already happened. Now we cannot do anything, you know. So this was the thing. And yeah, when I left the hall there, first of all, the best thing which happened there, that I reached there on time, before time, even before 3 or 4 hours, I would say. So after reaching, I ate there, and I'll show you the video. I'll show you some glimpse of that, because I recorded short clips of the video of that day. So I ate something, and then I didn't study. I was just lying, and what was I doing? I was just using the phone. I didn't study that, because when I study, I feel that I am going to forget everything whatever I know. So that's why I don't study on the day of exam. This was the thing. And after that, I met a girl, and the girl name was Chaya. And you won't believe, I met her and we became friend. And I have her number. And these things are like, we meet someone and they become more friendly, and they become like they become friends of us. And that feeling, that you didn't know that person earlier, but now you know that, that person, that person very well, that how does she live, and what is she doing, and what does she do, all the things. And then we become the part of that of that person for a short period of time, of course. But yeah, we also become the part of that person, of that journey. And we don't know that on the way, like, with whom we are going to meet, and that person could be the resemblance of any god. And I always say that in every human we have traces of god, because it is magical body. We have nose to breathe, we have mouth to eat, we have eyes to see this beautiful world. This is all magical. So I that's why I say that god is everywhere, and god is inside us as well. So that's why I say that we don't know that in the world whom we are meeting, and that is the purest symbol of god. And this is the purest god, because some people have positive vibes and auspicious vibes, whom we just met, and then we feel, okay, this is a good person. But from some people we get some negative vibes as well. So these people are also nice, but they have some negativity as well. So this is the difference. So I met her, and I felt that she's really good. We chatted, and this was the thing. I met a friend, like, I got a friend in my life again. And this was the thing. Yeah, after that, when I came out of the hall, I was so hungry, but my brother didn't let me eat anything, because that was the evening time. And if we got stuck there for eating and all, then we would get late. And the time when we came here at the home, it was already 10:30. So if I was thinking, if we get stopped there for even 5 minutes, so we could lose our bus. And because of that losing, we don't know at what time we are going to reach on the time, or at the home. So that was the good. But after that, when I rushed for the bus, we rushed for the bus. Then we caught a bus. And you won't believe, when I got on the bus. So this time I had the gut that, at this time I won't give any fare to any bus, because no, this time UP government has announced that buses are free for the people who are going to give the exam. So this time I was for sure that I won't give any money from my side this time, because when I was going there, so I gave the money. This was the thing. So I fought with, I didn't fought, I just simply say, okay sir, this is the thing, the buses are free for us and why are you charging money from us? So he said, this is the not right bus, this is not the right bus, and you know got on the right, on the wrong bus. So when I saw that the bus was of Uttarakhand, and then I won't believe that me and my brother got off the bus at the highway where no people was there, only buses, only trucks, only cars were running over the highway, and we got off there. And because of me, there were some 3 or 4 people as well who also got off, because they also had the same thing. They also had the exam, so they were thinking, "Ki why would we give money?" So because I said, so they also got off the bus and they also saved their money in this way. So this was the thing. And you know what happened after that? After some time we walked on the highway, and then after some time we got a bus of Uttar Pradesh, and there I gave my admit card, and there I didn't give any money to anyone for my convenience. Okay, so this was the thing. Then I came home, like after a long travel, after 4 or 5 traveling, I came home, and there in the way I also ate something. I'll show you. I have the video clips as well. So this was the thing. Then I came back at home. When you know what, when I was coming, I was continuously thinking about the marks. I was continuously thinking about the, like, I did that question wrong, it shouldn't be done like that. Okay, I chose that question, was that question right or wrong? I was checking on Google. Seriously, I was like, I'm that much damn. You won't believe, like, when we give any exam and your life is based on that, then you feel very nervous about all the things. Even if you have, chosen the right option, still you feel, okay, you have done something wrong, you have to recheck it. So this was the thing. But it was all, I got when I came back, I checked my score, and it was all, I am above the cutoff. And now it's just a time for me to run, because after running I'll get, let's see what happens. But I have faith that after running I will get select, because Radhe Krishna is with me. What can I say? They are with me, they are my god. And you know, I have this, like, this is the positive vibes which I have now, because they are everywhere. They are also in me. When I imagine them, they lie here in the heart. Sorry, heart is here. They lie in the heart and in my brain as well. So this was all about my post exam experience. So I really felt good when I share all the things, when I say something, when I record myself. I don't know, I feel very nice. Even if I was crying, when I will record myself, I will feel, okay, Neha, you are very much good, you are so good, you have done something very nice, which millions of the people have tried, but they didn't achieve till now. But okay, this is not the, you can say, this is not the apex. We also have to go somewhere, top of this, all the things. So this was all about it. Thank you so much for watching the video. We will meet next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.